I couldn't wait to actually see Eastern Cape actually, and then to see maybe the stage and the people. I've now performed in big stages and it was my first time going to Eastern Cape.
The trip was fascinating, even though the journey was long and tiring.
The trip was enjoyable, but it was long. We took long hours to get there, but we enjoyed when we got there.
Say the trip was fun.
I enjoyed the long trip.
I've learned that even if we are a group, we'll have different opinions. Always focus on the main thing, which is teamwork.
I have learned that communication is important. I learned that we are different people and we don't have the same moods at the same time. Yes, and we don't have to bring that to the group. Whenever you are with us, you have to be with us, fully with us. I enjoy my glam show because I actually learned what they are doing in girls' initiation school.
I enjoyed Bunolo, the show called Bunolo, because it explains a lot of things that we experience on our daily lives.
It was this ballet show.
I enjoyed Moana because she taught us about being brave and to be selfless.